99% of people use their phone as their alarm clock in the morning, and this is a huge problem. This is the #1 mistake that you are making each morning, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you why. My name is Tommy Sobel. I'm a digital habits coach and founder at Brick, and I help overwhelmed smartphone owners reclaim 100+ productive hours each month so they can grow their business faster, say no to distractions, and enjoy more time off. Now, when we sleep, we used to think that the brain rested just like the body rested. And recent research shows that the brain is actually just as active, if not even more active, when we sleep. What the brain is doing is it's rebalancing neurotransmitters like your dopamine and cortisol levels, which is like your stress from the previous day. It's also consolidating memories, so putting certain things that happened the day before into long-term memory so you can recall it later, and clearing up free space, some RAM, for what you're gonna experience the next day. And your dreams are actually an opportunity for your subconscious mind to solve creative problems for you so that you can wake up the next morning, come at your day with creative solutions that you came up with overnight. And when you reach out to your phone in the morning and check it, what you're doing is you're switching out of that creative, flowy right brain state of mind into this more left brain, get things done, to-do list state of mind. And it also increases your cortisol levels. So you're actually, first thing in the morning, in the most foundational part of your day, getting into that fight-flight, getting a little bit of a stress response. And so you're missing this opportunity to actually gather those insights that came to you overnight and actually think critically about how you want to spend your day. What are the top 3 priorities? What are the things that would really make this day awesome and fulfilling for me? It's been said that your email is everyone else's to-do list for you. So if you wake up and first thing in the morning, you're seeing your emails, you're actually seeing what everybody else wants your day to look like. And you might spend days or weeks or months not making any progress on the things that actually are important for you to accomplish. The other issue with you checking your phone first thing in the morning by reaching out and grabbing it first thing is that you are reinforcing that your phone is in control of you. That's not what you want. You want to be in control of your phone and only checking it when you want to, not every time there is a ding or a vibration or a ring. What you want to do, or what people who have healthy digital habits do, what top performers do, is they have 2 rules that they set for themselves. These rules are habits, and they're 2 of what I like to call the phone smart habits. Our phones are designed to be smarter than us. And so with the Phone Smart Habits, which is a series of 15 habits that I share with my clients, I'm gonna share two of them with you now. You can actually learn to become smarter than your phone. So the first one is to make the first hour of your day phone free. By making the first hour of your day phone free, you're actually able to stay in that creative, flowy state that you wake up with. Maybe you grab a journal, maybe you meditate, and you're actually able to think critically and get clear on what is most important for you today. What do I need to accomplish? What do I want to focus on? And then that kind of becomes your rudder. It becomes your mission for the day. And then you're able to decide, when you do finally see all the inputs, all the emails and the texts and everything, how they're going to fit into that, instead of trying to fit in the most important thing between all the emails and calls and texts. The other benefit to you making the first hour of your day phone free is you're not giving yourself that stress response first thing in the morning. Because when you check your phone first thing, you're giving yourself a little bit of that cortisol, you're seeing the bad news, you're feeling a little bit of a stress because there's now things that you need to do, and then you're bringing that into your day. That is the foundational energy, the momentum that you are bringing into your day. And so then that's probably why you feel that sense of rush or hurry or I have to get things done throughout the entire day. So if you want to set your day up for success, making the first hour phone free is incredibly powerful because it puts you in control. You're checking your phone when you want to, you're getting your own needs met. I know that for me, I didn't start with the first hour because an hour phone free felt like a lot. I just started with like 20 minutes, and maybe you can too. But what I do now is I wake up in the morning, I meditate, I exercise, I shower, I make breakfast, I make a tea, and now it's like 60 to 90 minutes after waking up. that's when I finally sit down at my work desk. I review my priorities from the night before or any adjustments I've made from my journaling or meditating in the morning. And that's when I finally look at my computer and look at my phone for the first thing, like 90 minutes into the day. By that point, I've built up so much positive momentum from the day. I've gotten all of my needs met. I already feel accomplished because I checked in with myself. I got the exercise done, that no matter what comes my way, no matter how bad the news is, and no matter what went wrong with my project or work overnight, all those emails and things that I have to do don't stress me out because I have a proper foundation and I feel more grounded and I'm ready to tackle anything. The second phone smart habit that's super powerful that complements the first one is to just make your bedroom a phone-free zone. So if your bedroom is phone-free, then you are using what behavioral scientists call environmental design, where you are designing your environment to make it easier for you to do the desired behavior, which is to just use your bedroom for rest and relaxation and maybe intimacy with your partner. By making your bedroom a phone-free zone, there's not even a chance of you needing to check your phone first thing in the morning. Now you might be saying, wait a second, I use my phone as my alarm clock, so like, what do I do? Well, there's a $10 alarm clock on Amazon that you can buy. I'll put the link in the description. And it's amazing. It's battery powered. It allows me to throw it in a suitcase if I'm traveling, and I can confidently use that as my alarm clock and not feel like I need to keep my phone with me. So my phone sits in my office desk at night when I put it down, and I'm free to keep it there because I'm covered in the morning with my battery powered alarm clock. So I just invite you to be honest with yourself. How do you feel in the mornings when you wake up and you check your phone? Do you feel good? Do you feel accomplished? I know that you can have that curiosity and wake up and want that stimulation and be wondering like, what happened last night? And if you can just fight that urge, I guarantee that you will find more presence, more calm, more confidence that you can bring into your day, and you will still see all the texts. You'll still see and reply to all the emails. You're not saying no, you're just saying not yet. So I challenge you to make your bedroom a phone-free zone. Get an alarm clock and make the first hour of your day phone-free. Just by doing this, you will be in the top 1% because remember, 99% of people check their phone first thing in the morning. So just this one habit puts you in the top 1 percentile of productive habits. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Tommy Sobel, Digital Habits Coach. If you got value out of this video, feel free to subscribe, comment about what your life looks like now. How is your alarm clock? Which alarm clock did you get? And I'd love to hear. I will see and reply to all the comments. Thank you so much.